Hello guys, welcome back to Design and Tech Hub YouTube channel. I hope you are having a great time. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can minimize the data watching YouTube, how you can use less data watching YouTube videos. But before diving into the video, if you are a new viewer, please kindly click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload an amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So, like I said earlier, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can minimize the data watching YouTube. So let's head over to our YouTube app. So once you've gotten to your YouTube app like this, just go to this, click on this icon here. You click on this icon here. Click on this icon here. Once you click on this icon, you'll be having this new drop down menu where you have your settings. You click on settings. You click on settings. Once you click on settings, you click on data saving mode, then you enable this data saving mode. Once you enable data savings mode, all the ones that are below 2 would be automatically enabled. So you can see with this video quality it enable, with this download quality it also enables, with this smart download quality it also enables. Only download over Wi-Fi and unrestricted mobile data it only enabled. Upload over Wi-Fi only it also enabled. Muted playbacks and feed over Wi-Fi only it also enabled. So you can disable any of these things without disabling everything. So I can just say I can just disable only download over Wi-Fi and unrestricted data mode. I can just disable this, and as well you can set a mobile data usage reminder. You can just enable this. You can enable this. Once you enable this, you can set the data here. You just input any data you want to you just input it 100 MB, 1000 MB, then you click on OK. Once you click on that, once you've used this amount of data, you will get notified you've used the data. So please, if you find this video helpful, please click on the subscribe button and like this video, comment and share across to your friends so that they can also benefit from this video. Thanks for watching.